Good morning, students. Welcome to online teaching. We are discussing chapter 3rd, an empire across 3 continents. Now this is module 7. In this we will discuss the economic expansion. Economic expansion, that was because this civilization was vast. A lot of areas were there where different things were found. What was that? First, wheat, olive, that were grown in plenty. Wheat and olive were grown in plenty, means a lot of production regarding these that were maximum in Spain, Italy, Egypt, etc. These were few of the countries that were grown. And how they were used: wheat and oil, olive oil, that were used for making wine. For making wine means alcohol that was there, because it was you may say consumed, it was used in plenty, as this was you may say in their food habit that they were using. Okay. Next thing were there some amphorae. Amphorae were found near the Mediterranean Sea. Near the Mediterranean Sea. You can see the word amphorae, something like jar. The glass jar are there that were stored. You can see bottles are there, the jars are there, cans are there that were used. These were something like that were used for taking the oil, wine from one place to another. Thousands of these that were found near to the Mediterranean Sea, that may be of the made from baked clay or other things that were found. Okay. Some areas were there. Some areas were dominant, like Spain. What Spain was? In Spain, a lot of olive oil was produced, and Spain was dominating because the olive oil quality that was also good, and nominal rates were there. Due to this, Spain was you may say doing a lot of business, and he was playing an important role in the development of Roman civilization, especially in the economic expansion. Okay. Now next thing was there earlier when countries like Spain, Turkey and Syria were not there. North Africa. Earlier North Africa was dominant in these production of olive and other things, in production of wheat and olive, because Nile River was there, suitable climatic conditions were there that were very favorable. So North Africa was more dominating, but when Spain, Syria and other countries come, they were able to control. And here the hold of Egypt or North African countries that start to decline, and other countries that came into limelight. That was okay. Now some areas were there that were very rich from the beginning also, we may say, and due to this a lot of economic expansion. It means new areas were there, a lot of money, a lot of wealth that was you may say used. Continuous expansion of economic condition that was developing. Okay. Next were there Sicily, Campania in Italy, and you may say that is Fayum in Egypt, Biniam. These were few of the places that were holding this, means they were dominating this maximum part of this. So what we studied here, that amphorae, a vessel, large vessel that was used for this exporting and importing of olive oil and wine. That was maximum. because that was in great demand. And due to this, the economic condition of the people as well as the empire, that was also you may say improving, because a lot of economic activities were there, and every of the economic activities that are suitable for the improvement of the common people, that may be empire, that may be any nation, whatever they are. If good economic conditions are available, then there is no problem. Same situation was in that part of Roman civilization. So that if you see, you have read in 10th class about Gutenberg, that was the person who discovered printing press, and olive oil press was there. It means from the beginning these olive oil press that were used for such making. So that was the most important part. Okay, now next thing, the status of slaves, most important part. Earlier we have discussed 20 to 30% were the slaves. That were found. Maximum this type of population that was found in Roman civilization during the time period of Augustus, Tiberius, Octavian, whatever they are, but maximum of these slaves were there. These slaves were not having any rights, and freedom. No rights. They were the slaves, they were the servants, they have to work for their master. From morning to till evening, there was no such of the relaxation. Okay, these were workers in fields, farms, you may say mills, and for making brickyards, and even mines, and even in mines. It means these were there where no such of the things that were put for them. So these were very important fields, mills, even in mines, that were, they have no barrier, they have no freedom, they have to work for their master. It means their condition was not good. But what was that? These slaves had to do a lot of work. It means they were becoming good managers. Some instances are there where these type of the evidences are there that they did a lot and they improved their condition. Only a few were there. Okay.